Welcome to the Global AI Governance Expert, GAGE Academy. You're here because you live in a world run by ungoverned AI agents. They're not human. They're called artificial intelligence, or AI. Right now, as you watch this, AI is making over 100 million decisions every single second. That's 10 billion decisions a day that decide who gets a job, who gets a loan, and even what you see online. But here's the problem. Most of these AI are operating with no rules, no oversight, and no one in charge. They promise safety. They unleashed ungoverned AI instead. Imagine your boss on a video call, telling you to transfer millions of dollars. Except it's not your boss. It's a deep fake, an AI pretending to be them. This happened, and a company lost over $25 million because their defenses failed. AI governance failure can lead to real human harm. Imagine a hospital AI that's supposed to detect a deadly illness, but it fails most of the time because it wasn't tested properly. Imagine AI synchronizing traffic lights and drifting. All it takes is one occurrence to cause real pain. This isn't science fiction. This is the world right now. The era of ungoverned AI is creating chaos. That's why you're here. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to learn how to govern these systems, to stand between powerful technology and people, to become an AI guardian. Ready for your first briefing? Global AI Governance Expert, GAGE Academy, where oversight becomes intelligence and intelligence becomes power. This is where the future learns to govern.